Hi there, are you looking to take your website to the next level? I am Rafi Islam, a certified WordPress developer with over 9 years of experiences, specializing in creating stunning high-converting websites using Elementor Page Builder and other top-tier page builders. As a top-rated freelancer, I have helped countless clients build beautiful, user-friendly websites that not only look amazing but also perform exceptionally well. Whether you need a full website, landing page, e-commerce website, or any other website, I have got you covered. In addition to my development work, I am a content creator with over 150k followers on social media, where I share educational content on freelancing and WordPress tutorials. I also offer a comprehensive WordPress course where I have successfully taught over 300 students. My deep understanding of WordPress combined with my teaching experience gives me the unique ability to deliver both highly effective websites and valuable learning resources. I am committed to take your vision into reality. If you are ready to transfer your website and want a WordPress developer who is not only experienced but also passionate about sharing knowledge, then let's have a chat or have a video call or voice call and bring your ideas to life.